Hi, Mike's carburetor parts here. I'm going to put an electric choke conversion kit on these two carburetors. Now, one of them is an AFB, carb number 3896S. So this is a 3000 series. This is an Edelbrock, and they both will take the same choke. And so first of all, here's your rheostat. And this is what controls your choke. That's the nice thing about this setup. It conducts the heat from your engine, and that's what it uses for the choke. And you just mount this to an intake bolt, so it gets the heat of the engine, not the exhaust. That's too hot. The intake is bolted down. Make sure you get some sandpaper or something and sand where it's going to be bolted on, so that you get good conduction of the ground. And then we're going to take the choke. You put the gasket in here. Now this is a lever. Now this one here, in case anybody wants to know, you twist the choke clockwise to close the choke, and what we got to do is put this this piece right in here onto the post. There we go. And make sure the throttle's open, and we're going to twist it to the right until it just closes, and give it another 1/8 of an inch. Don't worry about index marks at all. Oops, it came out. Okay, so once that's done, where's the clips? Nah. Okay. Once that's done, then we're going to hook this to here. The female end. It doesn't go in easy either. Okay. And the positive end will go here. And the other end you want to hook to, say, a windshield wiper hot side. Anything that has 12 volts with the key on. I wouldn't hook it to your coil positive because most of the time they have a resistor on them. You won't get your 12 volts. And then you got your little cap here. Use it to cap off your hot air tube here. So, same thing on this one. This is the Edelbrock. Got the same thing. Hook the rheostat to the intake. Put your gasket on. Okay. So same thing on the Edelbrock. You twist it clockwise for the choke to close. Once it closes, give another 1/8 of a turn just to give it a little preload. Tighten it up, and again hook your positive lead to say your windshield wiper hot side. So you only want 12 volts with the key on. Okay, and there you go. Simple as that. These are very simple kits to put on. There are directions in each kit. This is a CU1112, so you can get a CU1112 that works on either the Edelbrock or the 3000 series AFB. Not sure about the other series yet. The 9000 would be the same as the Edelbrock. So there you go. You can get these at mikescarb.com, MIKESCARB.com. Thank you for watching this. We appreciate your business.